It's Milwaukee's Big Bertha, the M18 FUEL 305mm Dual-Bevel compound miter saw. This is a large capacity, cordless, brushless saw with 355mm of effective cutting width and 171mm of vertical chop. At 21.5 kilograms, it's a lot lighter than its competition, and with those two built-in handles on either side, it's much easier and safer to carry on and off site. As you can see on the stainless indent plate, it miters from 55 round to 60 degrees. That under trigger releases it from each indent so it snaps into your common angles. Press down that top latch to lock it in place, and that side latch actually nullifies the underneath trigger so you can move it from left to right without worrying about the indents to precisely where you need it. Up top it feels really rigid, it bevels both directions, and there are quick stops for that beveling as well. And a cool feature is this little trenching stop. Set it up for the depth of your rebates, your trenches, and then just flick it out of the way so it doesn't interfere if you have to do an end cut. LED work light gives you plenty of vision. With no setup, it casts a shadow cut line on your piece, so you can use the left or the right side of the blade to accurately cut to your mark. Blade changing super easy on this saw with the onboard tool, and this saw comes with a 60-tooth combination blade. Additionally, Milwaukee has 44 through to 100 tooth options for this saw. Saw comes with a dust bag. Most of the dust makes its way in there, but you can switch that out for your extractor for a clean sight, clean lungs. Runtime wise, you get more than 300 cuts out of a 12 amp hour M18 battery, which is more than enough to skirt an entire house. This saw showed plenty of rigidity on the big stuff, accuracy on the small. It's a great saw for framers through to fit out. If you got any questions at all about the new 305mm compound miter saw from Milwaukee, hit me up in that comments section below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.